This is the Mark II tinny. A shaped front to improve the fluid dynamics. The paddle fitted down at the bottom so we can get the full length of the rubber band, and a rudder on the back. We're still not going to go miles with it, but we might get the distance of the bath. Oh, trying to rush it. My tea is ready. Oh yes, much better. So less resistance to it going forwards because we've shaped the front. We put a rudder on the back, and we can wind it up more because we've got more distance between the fixings. So there, that's it. Mark II. Very tempting to do a Mark III and have 4 tins, make it longer, but I won't. I'll leave that to somebody else to experiment with the other things that you can do with it. Let's see if I can just pull it apart so you can see what we've got. So 2 cups at the front with the loops for putting the knitting needle that I've used. The original paddle, 2 rubber bands. I had actually toyed with the idea of running it the other way up and having rudders fixed there, but it works better this way up. I'd have needed a bigger paddle if it was the other way up to reach down through to the water. I could have printed another paddle, but I didn't. Anyway, my tea's ready.